Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to make a beautiful crochet flower for a Beanie. I hope you will like. So let's start. For the flower, first of all we will make a chain, foundation chain. We have to make 50 chain. Then we have to make single crochet in all the chains, as you can see. We have to make single crochet in all the chains. Now at the end we will make one chain. Then we'll turn the side and make the 3 chains. Skip 2 chains and single crochet in 3rd chain. Skip 2 chains again and single crochet in next chain. We have to repeat the same process till the end of this chain or round. We have to repeat chain 3, skip 2 chains at the bottom, single crochet in next chain, and at last we will make single crochet at the end. Then we will make chain 1 and we'll turn the side, single crochet in this chain space, chain 1, 5 double crochet in this chain space, which will look like a petal at the end. Now chain 1, single crochet in this chain space. Now again single crochet in next chain space and 5 double crochet in this same chain space. As you can see, I am making the 5 double crochet in this chain space to make a petal. Chain 1, single crochet in this chain space. We have to repeat the same process. This is a very simple and easy method to make a crochet flower. Now we have to repeat the same process, but we make 3 double crochet in chain spaces. As you can see, we made 3 double crochet chain. We will make a chain and single crochet in this same chain space. For the next petal we will make single crochet in next chain space and 3 double crochet, then chain 1, single crochet in this same chain space. This is a little smaller than previous petals. After completing this process, we have to join the sides by rolling up this pattern. We have to lock up the side by using this method. And we have to cut the extra yarn. As you can see, this is a beautiful pattern, and we have to roll this flower like this. We have to follow a perfect sequence to make a beautiful crochet flower. As you can see, this is looking so beautiful. Now we will take a needle and thread and join the sides of this flower. We have to join the sides. After stitching the back side, we will cut the extra yarn, and here is the final look. See how beautiful is this flower. Now we will attach this on our beanie. You can use this flower in any of your project. As you can see, this is so beautiful and full of petals. Now we will attach this flower to our Beanie with the help of needle and thread. And here is the final look of our Beanie.